Is your home in need of a crawl space entry? Stay tuned to find out how much crawl space entries cost. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. Most crawl spaces have exterior access, not through the house. Many times homeowners have them covered with a piece of wood. These wood doors are sometimes attached to the home, but generally are held in place with a large rock or bricks. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. There can be massive benefits to a crawl space entry door and one that's well done. Number one is it keeps a lot of the big pests and rodents out, like rats, raccoons, possums, anything like that. But it also helps secure your crawl space from exterior moisture and rainwater. So one of the most basic crawl space entries is just a steel door with a steel well. This holds the soil back from getting onto the door, and it's a good sturdy steel door to keep exterior things from the interior of your crawl space. This will typically cost you from $1,500 to about $2,000. Now the second option for a crawl space entry is a much nicer entry well that we call a TURTL. This comes in a few different colors and it really looks nice on the exterior home and helps maintain curb appeal for your home even with a crawl space access. So these TURTLs cost a little bit more, but they're an all-in-one unit that helps seal up that crawl space, has just a lid for very easy access into that crawl space, and it'll cost about $3,000 per unit. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about crawl space entries for your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.